today with Mark Lewis, managing partner at Trailhead Capital.
I was born and raised in Denver. My father was in the oil and gas business, so in traditional fossil fuel energy. And I went to undergraduate studies in San Diego, got in with the wrong crowd, started reading Bill McKibben and Herman Daly and natural capitalism, and decided the climate crisis might be worth paying attention to and that we probably should transition to renewable fuels. So started with a biodiesel company. Thankfully, the climate science has continued to come in my direction. And I think more and more folks in the oil patch are understanding that this transition is inevitable. And a lot of those firms are now making investments. And actually, some of them have more analysts on their renewable energy desk than they do on their oil and gas desk. So we would be delighted if one or more of our portfolio companies, IPO'd and went public and built the competitor to the established players. And I think that's very possible. And I kind of joke that we are fishing for the Elon Musk of regenerative agriculture. People forget Elon Musk didn't start Tesla, but he sort of took it to where it is today. And so, yes, absolutely. I think there are opportunities for food and agriculture companies to become hundreds of billions of dollars valuations in a relatively short time frame. So I'm hopeful that happens as well. So the three investment verticals are on-farm, post-farm gate or sort of supply chain, and then consumer. So we're very methodically trying to invest across the entire supply chain of food and agriculture, because our hope and our intention is that we build an ecosystem of portfolio companies that actually benefit one another. One of our principles is follow the intelligence of nature. And back in the day, bison used to go in, they would roam in herds of thousands, tens of thousands, tight bunches to protect themselves from predators. And they would eat a little bit of the grass. I mean, we think the enlightened consumer moving forward is going to pay more and more attention to make sure there's not lead and cadmium and arsenic in their baby food or any of their food. That's where we're hoping we can place capital, is with entrepreneurs and companies that are creating the lithium-ion battery equivalent of what's next. How else can you fix nitrogen and have plants thrive without all of the negative externalities? Exactly. Yeah. No, I have my eye on the final part of my career might be exploring some post-capitalistic paradigms, because I do come back to, we live on a planet with finite natural resources, and we have an economic system predicated on infinite growth.